Welcome to Just Been Home, and today I'm going to take this SVG, well this JPEg, and make it into an SVG that will be usable in Design Space. So I'm just going to minimize the Design Space, and this is actually a tutorial for a friend. I'm helping her out, so she sent me a screenshot, and that's in JPEg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a program called Snippet. I'm going to take what I need from here, copy it, let's get rid of that. And I'm going to use Paint. I'm going to create a new, move it over, and I'm just going to basically paste it into there. Move it over. You can make it bigger to see what you want to do. Sorry. She wants, so when you're using clip arts that have, you are basically breaking the law. But as long as she does not sell this and she uses it for personal use and she doesn't make any money off it, there is actually no issue with this. So this one's here is a little bit more difficult. So we're just going to make it bigger and go over and right there. So she's going to make it into a stencil so she can paint. So it is important to have all the little things out. There we go. So I think it's, the red could use a little bit more detail too in here. There, that looks better. All right, so then we're gonna go File, Save As. Now it's important that it's saved into a format that is compatible with Design Space. I find that I have good luck with the JPEg format, so I'm just going to save it to the download. All right, then we're going to go into Design Space and we're going to go Upload. You're going to see all the things that I kind of been working on. Browse. Yes, browse. You're going to go get your document that you just created, and we're going to open it. We're going to insert it. Now, I just want to make Design Space a little bit smaller. There we go, so it fits into the screen. So see, we already have a pretty decent logo. We are going to go Simple, and we're going to continue. And first thing I'm going to do is, because I noticed that we have still like a big line. Oh, that's not good enough. We still have a big line at the top that I missed. That won't be good enough either. Well, this is how not to make an... This is me, how not to make an SVG. There we go. That's much better. Now we're going to basically do the exact same process that we were doing in Paint to get rid of all of these things. It's a little faster in this one because I've already done all the hard work. You probably hear my dog snoring in the background. It's funny. Okay, so, and when you want to see what it'll look like as a cutout canvas, as a cutout, that's what it's going to look like. So we're going to go continue. We're going to save it. Insert image. And there you go, she has it in here. So now she wants to make this as a stencil to cut out for painting. So you do need to have it on the cut, no fill. It's going to look like that. So she'll be able to have her stencil and then paint the different colors as she needs to. But that said, what if she doesn't want it as a stencil and she actually wants to print the different colors? It gets a little bit more tricky, so I will do that in another video, but I just wanted to get you this far so that you can actually start making your stencils. Thanks for watching, and keep watching for the rest.